It's your boy Magnificent. Today we're doing interpretation video for Mai Not Another Love Song. So this whole song is based off of two basic chords. You just gotta make sure you know how to play open chords. If you don't, check out my chord video. Otherwise, put your cap on fret number 2 and we're playing the following chords. So we play A minor to D minor, A minor, D minor. And that's the whole song, the verse, the chorus, everything. It's just those two chords. So if you're not familiar with the chords, again, you can check out my chord video. If you can't find it, let me know. I will link it in the comment section. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.